Antonina. I'm a cosmetic dental surgeon and a facial aesthetic physician. I work in central London where I spend my time doing non-surgical facial aesthetic treatments. So what microcurrent is a low-level current that mimics the natural ionic flow of the electricity in our skin. So the benefits of that is to basically stimulate the muscles and just give a very nice anti-aging effect by firming and tightening the muscle and our skin as well. I love the Bed device because for me it's my skin workout. So I use it to really, after I cleanse my skin, just to help me to tighten my oil face. I love personally to use it in the evening, and it just helps me to feel my oil face getting tighter, firmer, just giving an extra love to my skin after a really long day. So right after I use that, my skin feels warm, feels tighter, it feels firmer and also more hydrated as well. My favorite bare feature must be the combination of the ultra smooth sphere and the ergonomic design as well. So it just works perfectly, it just fits beautifully in the face, and it works so well along the jawline, on the cheekbones, and the combination of these two technologies is just genius. After been using that on a regular basis for a long time, I would say that my skin and my whole face actually feels and looks tighter, firmer. So it gives the extra workout on top of obviously of the actives that I put on the skin. It just improves the firmness. So it's a fantastic anti-aging device. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you find it useful and interesting.